Hello, my name is Ryan Rupert D. Ponce. I'm from M1B and I will now be doing the bed bath. First is greet and identify your client. Good morning, good afternoon. Ma'am, my name is Ryan Rupert D. Ponce. I'm your student nurse for today and I'm from Our Lady of Fatima. May I know your name and birth date po?
My name is Lydia Ponce. My birthday is May 25, 1978.
Okay. May I check your wristband po? Okay. Now I will be doing hand hygiene. Then after, I will put gloves. After putting the gloves, now we can start uh, bathing the patient. First is we need the cloth with soap and warm water. Now, we will pupunasan na natin yung patient from head to toe. If possible is manghingi tayo ng permission. Ma'am, uh, pupunasan ko na po kayo if pwede po. First is the head. Isang wipe lang per pagpapaliguan. Next naman is papaghubarin natin yung patient. Pero since this is a return demo, kahit wag na. Next naman is i-shampoo natin yung buhok niya. First is maglalagay muna tayo ng blanket ng ng pampunas or para hindi mabasa yung una niya. Ma'am, can you lift your head po? Now is itataas naman natin siya para if para hindi mabasa yung pillow or yung kama niya. Okay. Babasain natin ng warm water yung buhok niya. Now is isa-shampoo na natin siya. And since contaminated na yung and dapat is may tira pa rin na tubig sa tawa since contaminated na yung water na pagkukuhanin. Next naman is yung oral or pagtutut is itututbrush natin siya. First is isa-side natin si patient. Now is papahold natin kay patient yung Now is lalagyan na natin ang toothpaste yung toothbrush. At yung toothbrush ni patient. Okay. Hanggang na po ma'am. After nun is pagduduruan natin si patient dun sa prepared na lalagyan. Now naman is imamassage natin yung likod ni patient or back mo siya. First is papatalikurin natin siya. Okay ma'am, pwede po kayong tumalikod. Now is imamassage natin siya from up to bottom. Okay ma'am. Satisfied na po. Now is ihaharap na natin si patient. Okay. And that's my demo for bed bath. Thank you po.